Shri mahakal. So today we have a patient from Canada who was living in Baroda but has shifted to Canada some 2-3 years back, and a business analyst working there. He came for the holistic dental treatment at our place, Sai Holistic Dental Care. Let's hear from him. How was his experience? Today is his last day with us. So thank you very much for approaching us.
Thank you, doctor. You've always been very cooperative from the day I approached you.
Thank you very much. How was your experience? What all you did?
So I happened to read about Sai Holistic when I was in Canada a couple of months back, and the reason for me to find out about holistic dentistry is because I got my root canal done about 5 years back,
Mhm.
and I just happened to see a video of another holistic dentist on Facebook, and she was mentioning about how root canals can be, it can really affect you negatively because the nerve system is connected to different organs, and I could just relate back to the times when I started facing problems with indigestion about 5 years back, and I've never faced the same problem since my birth. I just thought that probably my indigestion issues with constipation could be because of my root canal. So I definitely was confident that I want to get it removed when I'm coming to India. Earlier, I was probably thinking of doing it in the Western country. I was trying to look for a holistic dentist in India. I couldn't find anybody until one day that I finally found you. I saw all the testimonials, read the reviews, saw some really positive feedback of patients going out of here. And I approached you on WhatsApp asking, what is the first step? And you mentioned that it would be an OPG scan. So I was like, okay, let me just wait until I come to India and get my scanning done, and I'll send it to you. Fortunately, I was going to be staying in India for about a month and a half, so I had enough time to get the scanning done, send the report to you, and finalize a treatment plan. So yes, I sent you the scan. Came about 4 days back. I came to you with a limited time period because I will be going. I have a few commitments to fulfill before I leave to
Yes, yes.
Canada, and I mean, so we got. I mean, the first day I came in, you were very prompt in getting my blood test done on the very same day. You got the blood reports done. You really respected and managed the time frame that I'd given you to get my treatment completed. Second day you got my surgery done. First day itself you gave me the IV supplement.
Mm.
So you were very prompt and quick with the time frame that I had. So I really appreciate that about you. Um, Second day the surgery was there. I was excited for it more than scared. Honestly, I was like, finally I'll get to see the relief because I'm as a person I believe in naturopathic care. There are two kinds of people: one who believe and the other set of people who don't. I'm the one who does. So I was excited about the surgery, got the surgery done. Uh, I was I just thought that initially I thought that there wouldn't be any pain, but as the numbness started reducing, the pain started happening, but to a level which was extremely manageable. Out of 10, if I could rate my pain, it should be about 6 to 7
In the initial days,
in
in the initial time,
in the initial time, just after the
just after
surgery,
the surgery.
about 5 hours after the surgery. And because we got our surgery in the evening,
Mm.
you gave me all the homeopathic medications to subside the pain. I was taking it as you had mentioned, and fortunately I slept off. And the next day I woke up, the pain was from 6 to 7. It was about 2 to 3
Mm.
out of 10, and my homeopathic medications are still on. And yeah, I'm not facing any severe pain even while I'm talking right now to you
So
guys.
this is third day of your surgery.
This is my third day of the
Mm.
surgery, yes.
So you're perfectly fine without any antibiotics, without any painkillers.
Without any painkillers, you had given me a painkiller strip and also mentioned that try not taking it, try taking the homeopathic medications if you feel pain and try managing your pain. However, you were considered that if it becomes if it
Unbearable.
unbearable, then you'd given me a
Yeah.
painkiller. But fortunately, the homeopathic medication just worked very well, and I didn't have to take the painkillers.
Yeah. So anything you would like to say to the people who are getting the root canals done and who thinks that root canal will be a perfect solution for them? Even I showed you that in the root canal there was a cyst developed.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So what are your opinions to the people who want to get the root canal done, or who are thinking that root canal will be a good option for them?
I would say two things here. First, that you have to believe in this concept. You have to do your own research. A lot of people, because the entire dentist industry in the market, out of 1,000 dentists, 990 will tell you that you should get your root canal done, and there are no negative impacts. Even before coming to Sai Holistic, I spoke to a conventional dentist, and even he was not aware about how the system in our mouth, how the teeth are connected to various different organs, and how the meridian energy flow chart works. The first day of coming here, speaking to doctor and asking all the questions, he was cooperative enough to answer any question that I would have had regarding my root canal, or anybody else of my family. I've got my parents here, I've got my wife here, I got all of them checked and consulted by doctor. All four of us had different set of questions, and he was cooperative enough to answer all of us. So he as a doctor believes in educating their patients and clients before anything could be done onto them, which is very genuinely very appreciative. If you don't have knowledge about how bad root canals can be, do your own research is the first thing I would tell you. And if you believe in that research, come talk to this doctor, uh, talk to doctor and ask him, how can it positively or negatively affect you. I'm sure if nothing, he will give you the guidance that he has.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for choosing us, having trust on holistic dentistry and trusting us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.